Hey everybody, the SYLVASS company sent me these tools for weeding, and I am going to try them out in our garden tomorrow. We have tons of weeds that popped up in our garden bed over the last week and a half, and I've been meaning to clean them out. So we're going to try these different tools. It looks like there's some leverage here. Not sure what to do with this one. We'll find out. But this one especially, you kind of fork it, and then you've got the leverage here to pop it out. So I'm excited. Okay, so we are using this garden tool set here in my front garden. Now, there is some netting under here, so I don't want to stab too much, breaking the netting. But obviously the netting isn't doing a great job of keeping out the weeds anyways. Plus there are a lot of buzzing, flying bugs around here. Whoa, is that netting I'm grabbing? It is. And they're coming through. Ugh. Weeds. All right, so using this like fork tool, and these weeds might not be big enough to grab these. I might just have to do these by hand. I'm gonna go to the backyard and show you how this really works without the netting. Okay, we're in the backyard where it is weed central, and we're gonna try a few of these different tools. I think I figured out that this guy is gonna be great for hooking like weedy ones that keep going and going and going. So we're gonna start with this extra thorny guy right here. And we're gonna find, here's a weed right here. They're just everywhere. All right, let's try this guy. It looks fun. These are extra thorny. Pulling up with ease. Didn't get low enough on that one. All right. These big thorny guys over here, I think they're all connected, you see. So we're gonna have to go deep on this. There we go. All right. Oh, bummer. It did not come out all the way. That's not the tool's fault. It's the silly weed's main job is to survive somehow. All right. Here's another thorny guy. Plaguing my yard. There we go. I got it real good underneath. Ooh. Ooh, ouch. Here we go. All right, so let's find something to use this guy on. All right. Like all of these are kind of, I know they're connected somehow. I know they're connected because when I cleared this out back in the fall, we had vines that just kept going and going and going and going. All right. Oh, here's a vine. Let's use this hook. Oh, just kidding. It has an end. To be honest, I'm not sure how to use this, but I think hooking vines that are buried is a good use. I think I like this one the best because it gives you good leverage. Let's get to this one right here. Oh, it came out all on its own. How about that? All right, overall, I really like this weed kit. I think it helps me get some leverage and helps me get right to the root of the weeds, which is the whole point. when we're weeding, right? I'm gonna really scrape that one out. So overall, I highly recommend these tools.